Yeah, before and after we forgot.
It's okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna. Before.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello friends! Welcome back to Jeshu and Hitu. Today we are doing a DIY with a dried tree branch. We are using acrylic paint, flat brushes
And Fevicol gum.
to mix with paint.
This plateful to mix color and gum.
Let's start! Friends, we used sandpaper to smoothen the branches. Friends, we are mixing the color in the paint so that the paint would not drip. Mix it thoroughly and it's ready to use. Finally, it's done. Let's go to the next step. I have a rope. With the help of a glue, I'm gonna stick it. Cover the sharp edges with the rope or else it may hurt you. It's ready now. Take an empty tin and cover it with a wallpaper. I find it is the fastest way to get a new look. If you don't have a wallpaper or if you don't like this idea, you can paint on the tin. I'm using the white cement to hold the branch. Now pour the cement in a vessel and add water to make a thick paste. Mix it thoroughly to make a fine paste. I have put the paste in the tin and fixed the branch. I am using stones for decoration. Friends, this is the final output. You can keep your earrings in a cover and hang them. Not only earrings, you can hang many things like hair bands, sunglasses, mask, watch, bangles, bracelets and many more. Look how creative it is. Do you like this, friends? Give your comments in the comment box. If you like this, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.